Hey, what's up, everybody? This is a guide for you to, if you're confused, what you actually should be buying when it comes to the phablet. Would you take the Mi Max 3 or the Honor Note 10? I'll just go through every single aspect between these two phones. So, let's go through the 4G networks. It seems that almost identical. Not too much information but released how many network is covering, but soon we're gonna know. The important thing about this, let's take a look at the dimensions. So we know the Honor 10 is taller, almost 1 centimeter taller, but it's actually thinner. The Mi Max has an 78 millimeters, while the Note 10 has 85 millimeters. So that's a big gap, to be honest with you, because the millimeter, when you measure it, it does make a difference if it's 2 and above. And this is one of the most important thing. When you hold it in your hand, you will feel that every millimeter does matter between when it comes to the size. Not only that, it's even narrower. It's actually even thinner. It has 7.7 millimeters, while the Xiaomi Mi Max 3 has an 8 millimeters. So just a little bit difference. However, the weight is bigger when it comes to the Note 10. It has 230 grams over here, as you can see, and 221 grams in the Mi Max 3. So you'll be dealing with more weight when it comes to the uh, as well as the size. Let's take a look at the display. So we have an AMOLED screen, which is brighter, more colors, more deeper black, uh, better for the eye. All of that. We know AMOLED always wins against the IPS LCDs. Now, what does the LCD have over the AMOLED? Probably, you know, just maybe better, like no burn-ins. Like we know the AMOLED has a little bit of burn-in. IPS tended to survive longer, but that doesn't matter, man. Both screens survive longer. I prefer the AMOLED screen all time. Uh, so we have a 81.5 percent screen to body ratio in the Honor 10. So we have higher screen to body ratio when it comes to the Honor 10 versus the 79 percent or 80% screen to body ratio in the Xiaomi Mi Max 3. We have just only 5 ppi increased from the Honor 10. Both of them have, no, actually, the AMOLED screen in the Honor 10 supports the HDR10. That's really good, but we need to see it in practice. We need to see it on Netflix. We need to see it on YouTube, all that stuff. So a support for the HDR will be great. We have the OS. Both of them works on Oreo 8.1. Now, when it comes to the chipset, this is where you find the gap. So current 970, this is the flagship chipset, and now it's really battling the Snapdragon 845. Now, when it comes to the also comes with the turbo boost to the graphic. The Mali G72 is gonna get boost in the graphics, and you notice better performance. And there are videos on YouTube showing that there are actually better performance when it comes to playing video games versus the Snapdragon 636, which is very low end Snapdragon, like very energy sufficient, multitasking oriented, but not much for the video games because it's not gonna pull as much power as the 970 current. That's only my complaint. If Xiaomi made it 660 at least, we'll be talking really good competition here. Now both phones support micro SD card up to 265, 56, sorry, gigabytes. Internal storage, we have 125 gigabyte, both of them. The Honor supports also 8 gigabyte RAM. Now it comes to the camera. This is the most differentiator. Now look at the numbers. You have 16 megabytes versus 12 megabytes. F1.8, f1.9. So f1 usually means like better light, so better night shots. We have 24 megapixel versus 5 megapixel depth sensor. So very clear winner here, the Huawei or Honor, sorry. Both of them like sisters and brothers and sisters, whatever. Selfie camera 13 megapixels versus 8 megapixel. What else we have differences here? Now that's where the Honor drops down the competition. 3.5 millimeter jack, no headphone jack, while the Mi Max 3 has a headphone jack. That might be a big letdown from the Honor. If Honor included the 3.5 millimeter jack, it will be the best multimedia phone hands down. That's it. So it comes with the Type C to 30 millimeter headphone jack though. So yeah, we got that. Bluetooth. I don't know why Huawei and Honor devices stick with the 4.2 Bluetooth, while all manufacturers get to the 5.0. So we have 5.0 Bluetooth versus 2.0. We have also, let me just check, sorry. We have FM radio, infrared. There's no infrared in the Honor. That is not good, man. Well, it's a good feature. You know, people want to use the infrared, but it's in the Xiaomi Mi Max 3. USB 3.0 speed, Type C. So we have 3.0 speed, which is probably way faster than the normal USB Type C. Sensors, it's rear mounted sensor, so fingerprint in the back, both of them. What else we have? Yeah, we have the fast charging. Obviously it's faster than the 9 volts 2 amps in the Mi Max 3. This Huawei chargers are so fast, man, hands down. We have to test this and see if it's actually faster, because it has also 5000 milliamp battery, as you can see here in the Honor, versus 5500 milliamp battery, which is obviously, logically, the Xiaomi Mi Max 3 will have longer battery because of the higher battery, because of the Snapdragon low performance saving energy. That will help really the Mi Max 3 have more energy or more time using the phone. We have to test that though. You never know what Huawei can pull. You know, pulling some crazy stuff lately. So when it comes to the colors, we have the champagne gold, blue, black in the Xiaomi Mi Max 3, while we have midnight black and a phantom blue, the beautiful phantom blue in the Honor 10. When it comes to the price, 400 euros, not confirmed yet, to be honest. I think it's around $400. So in the Honor 10, while we have 260 euros around in the Xiaomi Mi Max 3. So there you go, guys. This is the comparison. Like, yeah, it's higher price, but I thought the Honor Note 10 will be way higher price than 400. To be honest, I thought it would be around $600, $500, but I think they are specifically competing with the Mi Max 3. They want to destroy the Mi Max 3. That's the in my opinion, that's the goal for Huawei, to launch Note 10 on that specific time. Okay, that's it, guys. If you like the video, please like. If you want more, let me know. Subscribe, and see you guys later.